Guys, this is truly why we love what we do. We get to take care of cars like this. This is a Stingray. The wheels were really messed up, really bad. We got this truck. It's got a special purple, pink color. He rashed the wheels. Guess what? We're going to match the color. We're the only guys in town that can match this color. I mean, look at this rash. There we go. We're going to make it look like perfect. We got a brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. We're going to black out this truck. The 4x4. We're going to black out the decals. We're going to come around to the front, and we already took the lettering off. We're going to black out the lettering, and we're also going to do the wheels. They have curb rash as well. We're doing the curb rash on these wheels, on the Janellis. Also, we got this Dodge. We painted it a pink color. This we painted this car. It was originally black. We got a Maybach Mercedes. We're doing the wheels on the Maybach V12. Okay. Behind it, we got another Mercedes. We're doing a blackout. Behind the Mercedes, we got a Porsche. We're fixing a bent wheel. Then over here, we have a Ford truck with some 26s on it. We're fixing the bent wheel. Next to it, we got a Maserati convertible. We've already did the curb rash on the Maserati convertible. Over here, we got a Tesla. So you see, we do all types of cars. This is really why we love what we do. We blacked out the wheels on the Tesla, and we have a Beamer. We're doing curb rash on the 750i Beamer. So as you see, when it comes to luxury cars, we can do them all. We got a Range Rover right here. Man, we got something, everything over here today. Every major luxury brand. We blacked out the wheels and did the red brake calipers on this Range Rover. Now, this Mustang, we're doing the calipers in blue. So we're excited. We love getting new cars. People will drive that car from the dealership and bring it straight to us. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is why we're the best, guys. Look at this. We can't even get around wheels everywhere, man, because we come highly recommended. I want to show you something special. These wheels were originally chrome. The chrome was all faded and corroded. So what we did, we powder coated the faded, corroded part and left some chrome in the spokes. Look at that. That's such a beautiful finish. I mean, we brought these wheels back to life. This is why we love what we do. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. 713-942-0294.